Welcome to Arber, where it's our mission to help you grow a better world. Today, we'll be digging in on our organic fruit and veggie fertilizer. Stay tuned to learn more. Our organic fruit and veggie fertilizer will yield extraordinary results, increasing harvest, building soil health, and producing nutritious and delicious crops. Our proprietary biochar and fertilizer blend releases nutrients quickly while holding excess nutrients in place to feed plants for several months. Our blend of biochar, compost, chicken manure, and rock phosphate feeds plants and conditions soil year-round, promoting bigger blooms and increased harvest. Biochar brings physical and permanent change to your soil by improving structure, aeration, water holding capacity, and nutrient retention. Biochar also helps lock carbon and nutrients into the ground, which allows plants to uptake the nutrients when needed. And not to mention, this key ingredient is scientifically proven to double your crop harvest. Compost returns organic matter and nutrients to the soil in a form that's readily usable to plants. The compost increases plant rooting depth and improves plant growth and health. The additional ingredients, chicken manure and rock phosphate, boost seed, fruit, and flower production and release nutrients quickly for fast results. Our organic fruit and veggie fertilizer can be used across all your green spaces, like your fruits and veggies, flowers and foliage, potted plants, trees and shrubs, seedlings, and raised beds. For new plants, simply mix the specified amount into the soil mix for containers, or mix directly on the topsoil for raised beds and in-ground plants. Water thoroughly each use. For ongoing care, sprinkle evenly around the surface of the plant and water thoroughly. For best results, apply once per month. Thanks for digging in on our organic fruit and veggie fertilizer with us. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy growing!